Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. We are at Walmart for my midweek. Now, my midweek was a little on the weak, like literally and figuratively side. I think mine is like 15 rebates for $1, which yeah, we're just gonna do what we want to do here today. We're gonna get what's free, what's moneymaker, what's super duper cheap, and we're gonna keep it moving. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, bam, 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 go ahead and take a second and smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to ring that little bitty notification bell so you never, ever miss out on a deal. So, gonna hit up some deals today. There'll be a Google Doc for you guys to follow along that way. And so, yeah, so we're not gonna even worry about a bonus today. Hopefully, I have a better weekend bonus because this one right here was kind of sucky, which I guess is to be expected. It's the first week of January. And so without further ado, and because you already smashed the like button, let's go ahead and smash.
The thing I'm gonna grab is the core bar. It's priced at $2.18. I don't have a rebate on Ibotta. Well, I actually do. I have a 10-cent any protein bar, which this one is working for. There it is right there. And then I'm going to submit my receipt on for Aisles. It's a Venmo PayPal rebate, making it a 10-cent moneymaker. So I figured, hey, why not? All right, this next deal is going to be on the Finish Powerball Quantum. These are priced at $4.12. We're going to grab one of them. We'll be using this $2 coupon right here from the Smart Sewers 1-1. You end up paying $2.12 out of pocket, but getting back $1.50 from Ibotta. I'm making this only 62 cents. Really quick, I just double checked. I do have this rebate on coupons.com. I actually have 2 rebates for $1.50, so you'll pay the $4.12, and then you get back $1.50 times 2. It'll make it I want to say a 38-cent moneymaker. Yeah, definitely is a better deal using coupons.com or ShopMe'em as well. This next deal is on the Zarbee's Saline. It's a nasal mist. It's priced at $5.97. This one is working for the $2 rebate on Ibotta, as well as $3 on coupons.com or ShopMe'em, making this only 97 cents. So this next deal is on the Shet Hydro Dry Skin. I mentioned this in one of my last videos. They're on clearance for $2.47, and then there's a rebate on Ibotta for $3 back, making it $1.06 moneymaker. Let me show you the UPC really quick so you can check your area. But yeah, they're clearance down to $2.47 at 2 of my stores, which is really cool because these are normally like $10, and so yeah. There's also this deal I just saw. It's on the Cremo beard wash. It's on clearance for $3.24, which is awesome because it's normally $13. There's a rebate on Ibotta for $2 that it's working for. There's also a bonus of $1 when you buy 2, so I guess it could make them around, what, 75 cents each or something like that? Let me see the bonus. Yeah, $1 back when you buy 2. While you're here, also check the razors because I noticed a lot of the stuff is on clearance. I was looking for Gillette because there's a rebate on Ibotta for that one, but check women razors because a lot of this stuff is on clearance. I didn't see as much on clearance for the men's section, but for the women, they do have some that are on clearance. I think the other store has this one for like $169 or something like that. So check your stores. Here it's $569, and so yeah, I know we're tired of seeing this deal, and I know we probably have 45,343 at home, but it's okay. What's 2 more? All right, so we're gonna grab this Eucotex deal again. It's priced at $2.97 for the 40 count as well as the 50 count. We're gonna end up paying $5.94 out of pocket, but we'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also $3 for buying 2 on either coupons.com or ShopMe'em, and then $1.50 on Fetch Reward, making this a 56-cent moneymaker. I also have a spend 30 get back 5 on Fetch Reward as well, that this is gonna track for. And so yeah, this next deal is on the Poise pads. They are priced at $5.62. I'm gonna price match the online price, which is $4.68 for the 16 count. I'll be using this $2.50 printable. I believe you get this for signing up. I got it from my handy dandy trusty Coupon Fairy, who was always listed in the description. That's going to bring a total down to paying $2.18 out of pocket, but you'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making it only 18 cents. Limit is 5, so I'm going to see what I can do with that. And so, yeah. And of course, we were excited when we saw this deal pop up again. It's on the Slow Mag. It is priced at $9.88. You're going to grab one of them. Use this $5 coupon right here from our inserts. I want to say that coupon was in the Save 11. You'll pay $4.88 out of pocket, but get back $4.94 on Ibotta, and then 900 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $3.60. Making this a $3.66 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Vital Fusion Multivites. They are priced at $5.98. For this, I'm going to grab 2 of them. I'll pay $11.96 out of pocket, but I'll get back $2.50 for each on Ibotta, plus a 10 cents any rebate, $6 on Swag Bucks for buying 2, 650 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.60, and then $2 on either ShopMeum or Coupons.com. I also have a survey on Brand Club for $3.52, making this a $7.24 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Febreze. It's on the trial size. They're priced at $1.97. You're gonna grab 2. You'll pay $3.94 out of pocket, but get back $3.30 on Ibotta for buying 2. I'm making them only 32 cents each. All right, the next deal I'm gonna grab is on the Old Spice body wash. I'm gonna try this out and see if it works. These are priced at $1.56. You're gonna grab 2, pay $3.12, get back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta. There's also 650 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.60. It should make it a 48-cent moneymaker. I'll let you guys know if it works out on Shopkick though. I was also going to grab the Olay as well. This store doesn't have any. I might check a store closer to the house. They're priced at $1.77. It is working for the $5 back when you buy 3 on Ibotta. So you'll pay $5.31, get back 5, making them 10 cents each. Okay guys, so here is my little bitty haul for today. It's okay, y'all, because your girls did make money, all right? Which is always a bonus of it all, right? Even though we didn't have a bonus, we still got a bonus of it being free plus a moneymaker. All right, so everything worked out pretty good. All of my coupons all scanned today. I was able to price match the, I told you I'm going to try to start showing my receipts, but when I be having a gazillion of them, it's hard to do that. So yeah, I was able to price match the Poise for $4.68. The printables work perfectly fine. Slow Mag $5 coupon works perfectly fine. And then I went to a different store to get the Old Spice. So everything you see here retails $66.17. I had $15 in coupons. This is $5.60 in sales tax. The out-of-pocket came down at $51.17. I ended up getting back $33.64 from Ibotta, $2.18 from Isles for the core bar, $8 from Coupons.com, $1.50 from Fetch, $8.80 from Shopkick. Now, I didn't get the kicks for the Old Spice body wash. I put a ticket in because I don't believe that had a restriction on it. And so we're waiting on that. So $8.50 from Shopkick, $3.50 from Brand Club, and then $6 from Swag Bucks, which went straight through on the Vital Fusion. It brings everything back to $63.62. So it makes everything you see here free plus a $12.45 moneymaker. And even after tax, y'all, we still made $6.85. So awesome, awesome, awesome. Nothing I can add. Hope you guys are having the most amazing day. Wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.